मैं यहाँ गेट तक आ गई हूँ, वो अकेला आया, बिल्कुल अकेला आया और मैंने उसको देखा भी है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने उस वीडियो नहीं बना सकी हूँ। अब सिक्योरिटी बहुत हाई अलर्ट हो गई यहाँ, ठीक है। और सुबह 7 बजे मैं आके यहाँ पे खड़ी हुई हूँ, तो अभी इंशाल्लाह इसको जहाँ भी है आपको ढूंढ के आपके सामने लाएंगे। जिसने हमारे मुल्क का सौदा किया है, इसका सौदा किया जाएगा इंशाल्लाह। अब ये सिक्योरिटी वाले मुझे कह रहे हैं मैं दरवाजे के सामने भी ना खड़ी हो जाऊं, तो मैं इनसे बात कर रही हूँ कि मतलब मैं क्यों खड़ी नहीं हो सकती हूँ। ये इंस्टीट्यूशन तालीम देने के लिए है, इंसानियत सिखाने के लिए है। So how come?
Hi, can I help you today?
Yeah, I just want to see this man because this institution teaching the human rights and rule of law. So how come you cannot let one lady to go and ask him a question? You are the 5 security. You, sir, you can search me. Yeah, if you want, you can call the police. No, okay, you can call the police, everyone. But let me get to this man, ask a question.
We've got a peaceful protest area.
Sir, I'm not going to do the protest.
We respect your rights to protest.
Sir, I'm not going to do the protest. Sir, I'm not here for a protest.
We will do that as well. We will do that as well.
Sir, I'm not going to do the protest. I want to go and ask. Yeah, when come 1 o'clock, I will. Sir, when they come, no. I want to ask him question. In this country, have the rule of law. If I go to the Prime Minister, I want to ask a question. I have the right to ask. This is the beauty of this land. So I just want to ask him a true question. I will give all of you security. You can record it. I'm not going to have any complaint. Call the police. I just want to ask a question. In this university, you're teaching the rule of law, human rights. So what kind of teaching is if I am not allowed to ask him question? This is make me really sad. I will go under your